5 minus 5 is just 0, and 0 times 5 over 5. 0 times 5 is 0, and 0 divided by 5 gives us 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here in the numerator, first we have to do this multiplication, not this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. Okay, so first 5 times 5. Okay, 5 times 5 gives us 25. So 5 minus 25 over 5. No, 5 minus 25 gives us negative 20. So negative 20 over 5. Negative 20 over 5 is just negative 4. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 4.